We once again bring you all the developments from the state of Bihar. A fresh political row has erupted in the state after the RJD posted a video of JDU MP and Union Minister Lalan Singh allegedly threatening voters in Mokama. In the video, Lalan Singh is heard saying that some leaders should not be allowed to leave their homes on polling day, and if they insist, they should be taken to vote and then brought back home and quote-unquote made to sleep. He's also heard urging supporters to take charge, saying there's no time left before elections. The RJD had moved the Election Commission, accusing the NDA government of running a jungle raj and questioning Prime Minister's silence over it. Following the complaint, the Election Commission has issued a notice to Lalan Singh.
एकाधो नेता हक तो चुनाव के दिन उनका घर से निकले मत ही होना, उनका घर में पैक कर दीजिए। आप बहुत अगर हाथ तोड़ जोड़ तोड़ तो कहियो कि तू चला हमनी के साथ अपन वोट गिरावा और आके घर में इसलिए आज से सब लोग कमान संभाल लें और कमान संभाल के चुनाव में अब समय नहीं।
हमने कंप्लेन भी किया चुनाव आयोग को। ये सवाल प्रधानमंत्री जी से पूछिएगा कि हुजूर ये कौन सा जंगल राज है? ये तो व्यक्ति आपके साथ कैबिनेट में है, कैबिनेट में है और आप चुप हैं, घिग्गी बन जाती है।
केंद्रीय मंत्री माननीय ललन सिंह जो उस निर्वाचन क्षेत्र के माननीय सांसद हैं और उन्होंने उम्मीदवार बनाया है अनंत सिंह को, तो अनंत सिंह पर कानून के तहत कार्रवाई हुई, कोई बचाव नहीं हुआ। तो उन्होंने जो मंतव्य दिया है उसको तोड़ मरोड़ करके यह कहा है उन्होंने कि एक नेता नाम नहीं लिया। तब राष्ट्रीय जनता दल ऐसे सवाल पर बात का बतंगड़ बना रहा है।
Ankit Tyagi now joins me in the phone line. Ankit, new development in Mokama, which seems to be the hotbed for controversy. Now you have that EC notice against Lalan Singh.
That's right, and it comes at a time when you are seeing how aggressively the union minister, along with the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, was campaigning for Anand Singh. Now, remember, Anand Singh is a JDU candidate, has many cases including murder, extortion, kidnapping against him, and he's fighting on the JDU ticket, though the person who he's fighting against is the wife of another Bahubali or Don here from the RJD. But the fact remains that the union minister so openly going out, asking people to turn themselves into Anand Singh, asking them not to let the opponents come out of their houses. Now, this goes absolutely against Vedika, all the set electoral practices, and it's a clear violation as far as the Election Commission norms are concerned. It does, in fact, fall into the category of intimidation just a day on the day when the campaign is ending, and in just about 48 hours, there is going to be the election for the first phase in which Mokam falls. Now, even after his arrest, the union minister had gone and said that it is Anand Singh who has, in fact, kept the man, or has kept the majesty of the law and has helped Nitish Kumar, not saying that it is the police which has cracked down on him after charges have been made against him of a murder of another person during the election campaign. So this does not augur well, but more than the JDU worried about the Election Commission or the notice, I think they're more worried about winning this seat, and they understand the ground realities, and that is exactly what you are seeing playing out here.
All right, Ankit, thanks for that perspective. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you for more on the Mokama showdown as well. But moving on now, it's the final countdown to phase 1 of the Bihar elections, and today marks the last day of campaign. In a latest addressing the media today, Tejasvi Yadav, about 2 hours back, reiterated the Mahagathbandhan's poll promises and said that there is a mood of change and that Bihar will throw out the 20-year-old government. Tejasvi Yadav promised a one-time financial aid of 30,000 rupees for women in Bihar. The move aims to strengthen the grand alliances appeal amid stiff competition from Nitish Kumar's government. What you're seeing on your screens right now is Yogi Adityanath in Darbhanga, where he is holding a roadshow. But let's also just bring you up to speed on the BJP rolling out its big guns. One of them on your screens there. You'll have Home Minister Amit Shah as well, and Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, who will be crisscrossing key constituencies. And India Bloc is countering that with an aggressive blitz of rallies led by Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav.
लोगों का पूरा मूड जो है इस बार बदलाव का है, परिवर्तन का है। और इस बार बिहार की जनता जो है 20 साल पुरानी जो सरकार चल रही है उसको उखाड़ फेंकने का काम करेगी।
At a rally in Bihar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a sharp dig at the RJD, saying that those who brought Jungle Raj to the state now have their posters missing, referring to Lalu Prasad Yadav. The remark drew a strong response from RJD's Tejasvi Yadav. Taking a jibe at Lalu Yadav, Prime Minister Modi indirectly commented on Mahagathbandhan posters, saying, "Look at the posters of the RJD Congress, those who were chief ministers here for years and who brought Jungle Raj to Bihar. Their pictures are either missing from the posters or placed in a small corner, barely visible even through binoculars." RJD was quick to hit back at the Prime Minister's comment on Lalu Prasad, saying that there's Lalu phobia amongst BJP leaders. Tejasvi Yadav said Modi could never match Lalu's legacy and work for the poor.
आप आरजेडी कांग्रेस के जरा पोस्टरों को देखिए, जो सालों साल तक यहां मुख्यमंत्री रहे, जो बिहार में जंगल राज लाए, उनकी तस्वीरें पोस्टरों में या तो गायब है या तो एक कोने में छोटी सी तस्वीर रखी है, दूरबीन से भी दिखती नहीं है। अब मुझे बताइए भाई, जो इतने बड़े उनके लिए नेता थे, जिनके परिवार के सारे लोग चुनाव के मैदान में हैं, और फिर ये छुपा छुपाई क्यों हो रही है? अरे अपने पिता का नाम बोलने में, छुपाने में शर्म क्यों आ रही है? वो कौन सा पाप है जिसको आरजेडी वालों को बिहार के नौजवानों से छुपाना पड़ रहा है?
नरेंद्र मोदी जी, 14 करोड़ बिहार वासियों के बारे में आप बात कीजिए, इस पे बात कीजिए कि हमारा बिहार नंबर 1 कब बनेगा, कैसे बनेगा। बेकार की बातें क्यों करते हैं भाई? लालू जी ने जो काम किया है, सामाजिक न्याय किया है, रेलवे का मुनाफा किया है, मोदी जी 7 जन्म में भी नहीं कर सकते।
We're going to cut back live to Yogi Adityanath, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister's road show that is happening in Darbhanga. As I speak there, you see him meeting with people, greeting people while he conducts that road show. There's been a huge turnout, as you can see, in Darbhanga for his road show. Ankit Tyagi now joining me on the phone line on that developing story. Last day of campaigning, BJP top guns out, Ankit.
That's right. Today at 5 o'clock is when there will be silence as far as the first phase is concerned. What you are seeing at this moment is in Darbhanga, the city constituency, where Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, is campaigning. In fact, I was yesterday in this constituency, and the BJP sitting MLA, who's also the Minister, Sanjay Sarwagi, has been winning this constituency for the last 5 terms. This is the 6th time he's fighting this election. And while he was going across this city yesterday, talking to people, he was inviting them to come and join Yogi Adityanath's road show. There is a lot of anti-incumbency. There are questions of infrastructure in Darbhanga city, and Yogi Adityanath is being seen as a potent weapon to try and get the votes towards, once again, towards Sanjay Sarwagi. Let me very quickly, while this roadshow of Yogi Adityanath is going on, which you are seeing a lot of people as well, let me give you a little bit of context as far as this constituency is concerned. This constituency in Bihar, while we keep talking about the caste arithmetic everywhere, this is also a constituency which has a large concentration of the Muslim population, and that is why, more than the caste here, the religious polarization is something that we have seen working time and again. And with Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister, remember, he has his own style of campaigning, where he goes on, speaks about certain things, have spoken about the opposition, and then of course keeps coming back to Shamshan Kabristan and all those kind of campaign. So he has this kind of particular appeal towards the entrenched BJP supporters, and Sanjay Sarwagi is hoping that it will be the charisma of the UP Chief Minister, especially among the Hindus and his core vote bank, that is going to get him through as far as this election is concerned for the 6th time.
Ankit, what stands out are the punches, the poster wars, and also the comment made recently by Yogi Adityanath, Pappu, Tappu, and Akku.
Yeah, it's very interesting the way he has made all these comments. Of course, that also means Rahul Gandhi.
I will have to apologize. The Home Minister is also speaking in Darbhanga. We're going to cut across live.
लालू और राहुल घुसपैठिया बचाओ यात्रा लेकर निकले थे। मैं आज राहुल बाबा को कहने आया हूं, देश में जितनी घुसपैठिया बचाओ यात्रा निकालनी है निकाल दो। हम देश से चुन चुन कर घुसपैठिए को बाहर निकालने का काम करेंगे। हमारे बिहार का मुख्यमंत्री कौन हो, ये तय केवल और केवल बिहार के लोग कर सकते हैं, बांग्लादेश के लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते। और भाइयों बहनों, इसी भूमि पर मोदी जी की माता जी के लिए अपशब्द कही। अभी राहुल भाई ने, राहुल बाबा ने छठ मैया का अपमान किया। राहुल बाबा, आप बिहार को जानते नहीं हो। जो छठ मैया का अपमान करता है, बिहार वाले उसको कभी माफ नहीं करते। और भाइयों बहनों, जब कांग्रेस पार्टी ने मोदी जी के लिए अपशब्द कहे, भारतीय जनता पार्टी प्रचंड बहुमत से जीत कर आई है, प्रचंड बहुमत से जीत कर। भाइयों बहनों, ये राहुल लालू के हाथ में बिहार सुरक्षित है क्या? जरा जोर से बोलो, सुरक्षित है? समृद्ध हो सकता है, विकसित हो सकता है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी के हाथ मजबूत करिए, कमल निशान पर बटन दबाइए। नरेंद्र मोदी जी हमारे बिहार को विकसित राज्य बनाएंगे, विकसित राज्य बनाएंगे। मुझे बताओ जाले वालों, आगे आइए भाई, तीनों प्रत्याशी आ गए। जीवेश आ गया हो, ये जीवेश बाबू है ना, 2 बार जिताया आपने। कितनी बार जिताया भाई? अब तीसरी बार जिता दो, हम उनको बड़े बाबू बनाकर वापस भेजेंगे भाई। ये तीनों प्रत्याशियों को प्रचंड बहुमत से जिताएंगे क्या? अरे जोर से बोलो, जिताओगे? कमल छाप पर बटन दबाओगे? मोदी जी के हाथ मजबूत करोगे? नीतीश जी के हाथ मजबूत करोगे? तो मेरे साथ दोनों हाथ उठाइए, उठाइए दोनों हाथ और प्रभु श्री राम का जयकारा लगाना है।
Two BJP top guns in Darbhanga, one holding a road show while the other is addressing a rally. Amit Shah there taking on Rahul Gandhi and the Mahagathbandhan. Now there's a family feud on full display in the state of Bihar. RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav's 2 sons are campaigning in each other's constituencies. Tejasvi Yadav is in Mahua, where his brother Tej Pratap will be standing for elections, campaigning against his brother. Tejasvi has appealed to voters to vote for him. On the other hand, expelled from the RJD, Pratap is in Raghopur Bastion, which is Tejasvi's bastion. Tej Pratap said that Tejasvi is not committed to him, neither to the state of Bihar.
इनको हमने कहा कि आपको बात उठाना हो, यहाँ भागलपुर का अरुण प्रेम कुमार यहाँ झूठ का जमाना का